people are disgruntled by the communist regime and particularly the policy of Xi Jinping. Okay? That's why. So, these are the real issues of general population. Inflation rate is very high. Lack of commodity is also there. Okay, and most of the sector of their economy is going down. Cost of living has become very high. Income has not grown to that extent. हर चीज ये सब प्रॉब्लम हो गया है चाइना में. To divert people's opinion, Chinese public opinion, away from this core and fundamental issue, domestic issue, they are somehow moving towards what? International issues. International issues सबसे अच्छा क्या है? You provoke this or invoke this or disperse this idea of nationalism, because nationalism and religion, remember, in general, nationalism and religion is, and तीसरा एक चीज और होता है, ideology. ठीक है? In the last near about 150 years, okay, अगर आप देखते हो, so these are the three most dominant ideologies that has been there and which has influenced the people like none other. Okay? One is nationalism, second is ideology, third is religion. Okay? तीसरा है religion. Okay? तो politician use it to divert people's attention towards the core and fundamental issue. वो बहुत easily divert कर देते हैं. Many people are saying that China has many real problems that is ailing their economy and society. That's the reason why they have started using the instrument of nationalism. The moment they will demonstrate that our country is under threat from several quarters, okay? तो क्या हो जाएगा? People will automatically come to support the government. So the disquiet that could have been a possibility because of the domestic issues could be swayed for the time being. ठीक है? तो ये भी लोग सब कह रहे हैं कि that's the reason why you have seen this assertiveness, all right, between India and China. What is the reality? Only Xi Jinping can say. हमें तो नहीं पता, but definitely कुछ ना कुछ तो सच्चाई इसमें है ही. All right. तो ये चीज है. Now, अब तो this is the border issue overall. This is the present scenario overall. Okay. So border negotiations stand still. Military, particularly demilitarization of Aksai Chin, is under negotiation. When it will fructify, maybe we will resume our border related talks. But no matter what, the solution to this border issue is not coming anytime soon. ये नहीं आ रहा है. बहुत अभी तो नहीं दिख रहा. In the foreseeable future, we don't see that any mutually acceptable solution we are reaching. ठीक है? So this is what it is. ये है पूरा आपका. यार चलो, बॉर्डर इशू फाइन. चलिए, अब उसके बाद क्या था? ब्रह्मपुत्रा. ठीक है, वी हैव ब्रह्मपुत्रा इशू इज देयर. आ गया, समझ में आ गया ना? हाँ ना बोल दे. ब्रह्मपुत्रा रिलेटेड टू वाटर. What is the importance of China? What is the importance of Taiwan? Taiwan one China policy का part है. Mainland China consider Taiwan as part of China. They consider themselves independent. Looks like very few people are there online. Draw this map. These are not just dams, these are super dams. Remember it. Super dams. Kyamang River, ठीक है देखो, ब्रह्मपुत्र originates in China, enters into Arunachal Pradesh. The name of Brahmaputra changes, matlab the name of that river when it enters into India is called as Siang. When they enter into Assam, they become Brahmaputra. Okay? And there are, you can say, total of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can say tributary भी कह सकते हैं आप उसको. Then this is your Kyamang River. This is your Subansari River. This is the main चीज है वो Siang. And then you have Dibang. Then you have Lohit. ठीक है. Fine. Ab, try and understand. In this situation, this is an international river, passes through 3 countries. India, Bangladesh, and China. Okay. Ab, they are constructing many, 5 I said. Okay. Super dams. They have the capacity to store enormous amount of water. Okay. Both water capacity they can consume. Now, and they have started with a scheme क्या है कि नॉर्थ साउथ वाटर डिवाइड. ओके, दे हैव स्टार्टेड विद दिस, सॉरी डिवाइड नहीं, डाइवर्जन स्कीम. चाइना ने किया है. कौन किया है? चाइना. नियर अबाउट जो इसका वर्थ है, इट इज लाइक $62 billion. ठीक है. Heavy dams are created. Now, in this case, since it is an international river, in this case, we have India and Bangladesh is a lower riparian state. And according to international law, there is special rights to lower riparian states as well. Now, and very significant here, if the water is diverted from this, अब इसको divert करके कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं? देखो, what is happening there? This is a south of China. ठीक है. ये जो नीचे क्या है, साउथ ऑफ चाइना. नॉर्थ साउथ जाओगे तो देयर इज दिस रिवर, हुआंगहो रिवर है. सुना होगा आप लोगों ने, ज्योग्राफी में पढ़ा होगा. वेरी बिग रिवर, हुआंगहो रिवर. नाउ हुआंगहो रिवर lately has gone dry, or they are drying very fast. Reason is why? Because in and around Huangho river, you have huge industrial corridor. बहुत बड़ा industrial corridor and urban centers are there. So they are consuming that water like anything. So there is huge scarcity of water in those areas. So many people think that China might divert water from this place to that area. And secondly, even if they will not divert, remember, even if they will not divert, then at least, यहाँ से देखो, ध्यान समझो, they can weaponize the water during the time of conflict, because this dam has capability to divert the flow of Brahmaputra from south towards north and debouch it into Huangho river. पूरा पानी को वांगहो तक ले जा सकता है. लोग कहते हैं इस डैम का कैपेसिटी है, ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज अ थ्रेट टू इंडिया. दे से दैट दिस इज फॉर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन, इट्स नॉट अ स्टोरेज डैम, और वी डोंट वांट टू डाइवर्ट एज सच. ओके, ये चीज है. तो अब प्रॉब्लम इज ऑफ कोर्स देयर. ओके, अब एक एनालिसिस दिया है ब्रह्मचलन ने, particularly related to the river called Mekong. Mekong River, China has constructed many projects in Mekong River. They claim those projects as, again, the projects related to electricity generation. But the data that we have received as far as the flow of Mekong River in this area is concerned, Southeast Asia, particularly Myanmar and Thailand, then its data shows that there is huge scarcity of water after construction of dams or all such projects in this area on the river Mekong. Similar fate could be a possibility in case of Brahmaputra as well. ठीक है, ऐसा लोग कहते हैं. कुछ लोग कहते हैं, हाइड्रोलॉजिस्ट हैं बहुत सारे, तो वो लोग कहते हैं कि इंडिया का जो पोर्शन है, लेट्स से फ्रॉम दिस एरिया, यहां से you have, this is a Brahmaputra system, Brahmaputra river system. When we talk about river system, we talk about all the tributaries. So if you see this Brahmaputra system, then you have many tributaries. It says that if you want to check the flow of, अगर तुम flow इसका check करते हो, ठीक है, तो सुबनसरी, ठीक है, लोहित, ठीक है, और एक यहां से यहां तक, एंड सियांग, ये तीन, यहां से फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर. सेकेंडली सुबनसरी, दिस रिवर, एंड दिवांग, दिस रिवर. 1, 2, 3. These 3 rivers constitute approximately 60% of the total flow of Brahmaputra. So our fear, remember, according to the hydrological data, some of the hydrological data, government of India ने हाँ ना उस पर नहीं बोला है कुछ भी, okay, but some of the hydrological data, the kind of rainfall and other, मतलब ग्लेशियर का पिघलने से भी निकलता है पानी, आप जानते हैं, ठीक है. Whatever water we receive within the territory of India, remember, just from this river, from here to here, and this river, these 3 rivers, it constitute 60% of the total volume of Brahmaputra. ठीक है, 60%. So we don't need to worry about those dams. Okay, we don't need to worry about those dams. Even if they divert their water, still हमारे पास कितना रहेगा? More than 60%, because these 3 constitute 60%. Others are also constituting, अगर रख लो 5% ही करता है, तो we have 65% of the water. We are not worried about it. And remember, the volume of Brahmaputra is very high. बहुत ज़्यादा volume है, ठीक है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर अगर बोलोगे तो ब्रह्मपुत्र में बहुत ज्यादा है. एंड यू ऑल्सो नो दिस इज द एरिया वेयर रेनफॉल हैपेंस इन एबंडेंस. बहुत ज्यादा पानी पर गिरता है इधर. चेरापूंजी इज हियर, कहाँ गया, इधर साइड में, ठीक है. ओके, तो दिस इज द इशू, एंड दिस इशू इज नॉट फुल्ली रिजॉल्व, दो वी आर शेयरिंग, दे आर शेयरिंग डेटा. ऑल राइट. Now, as far as trade relation is concerned, remember, trade relation has gone up, though after Galwan Valley class, India banned many of their apps, okay? But as far as the commodity import is concerned, that is not going down. And you know the obvious reasons why it is not going down. Because बहुत सस्ता में मिलता है वहाँ सामान. क्या कर सकते हो आप? यू कैन डू मच. आपको लेना ही पड़ेगा. हाँ, टिकटॉक काइंड ऑफ ऐप वी हैव बैंड, ठीक है, तो वो चीज हुआ है. बट आवर ट्रेड डेफिसिट इज मोर देन $100 billion, एंड दैट इज हाईली सस्टेनेबल ट्रेड डेफिसिट. ओके, हाईली not sustainable, sorry, highly unsustainable trade deficit. That kind of trade deficit is not serving India's purpose at all. Neither it is acting as any significant tool as far as the negotiation with China is concerned. Sometimes in international relation, what we do, for example, the case of India and USA. USA wanted India to come closer to them. So they allowed Indian companies, Indian goods, Indian commodities to come and have market access, their market access. Okay? So they have given an opportunity for Indians to go for trade surplus. So as far as the major trading partner is concerned today, America is the only one country with which we have trade surplus. तो उसका पर्पस फुलफिल हुआ कि वी हैव बिकम क्लोजर टू देम, ठीक है. बट व्हाट आर वी गेटिंग? वी हैव ट्रेड डेफिसिट, ठीक है, यहाँ पे, एंड चाइना इज टेकिंग ऑल द एडवांटेज. वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी एडवांटेज on diplomatic level as well. We are nowhere in the place of negotiation. So that tool is not working as a geopolitical pressure on China. Okay. So trade deficit we have to reduce substantially. Okay. So अभी हम लोग semiconductor, electronics, all these things we have started building at our own domestic factories. So maybe down the line it might reduce. Let's see what happens. Fine. Chalo. Ab, when we talk about, all right, और हाँ एक चीज और देखो, हम लोग का ट्रेड जो रिलेशन है उसमें इशू एक और है. They are not giving a full access to two things where India is like very competent. One is pharmaceutical, other is IT. Indian IT companies seldom get, remember, Indian IT companies seldom get contracts, governmental contracts, as well as their financial institutions contract, okay, as they get from Europe or America. These are the two areas which is India's forte. India is very significant, very powerful in these areas. If they will give us full access to these areas, then the trade deficit will come down to $50 billion or maybe less within maybe 5 years. But they are not giving access to us in those fields. Limited access we have. Some of the companies, Indian companies, IT companies, and pharma companies are of course operational, but their products उनको उतना नहीं मतलब एक्सेस मिला है. तो अगर वो होता है तो फिर थिंग्स कैन चेंज, बट वो नहीं दे रहे हैं, ठीक है. सेकेंडली, you already know the situation of neighbor. Okay, we have discussed neighborhood and China. So Chinese influence in neighborhood is well known, everyone knows it. Okay. And China. ठीक है. अगर देखते हैं तो किसके बारे में बात करोगे? किसी के बारे में कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट पाकिस्तान, then they are what? Proxies of China, proxy of China. They are nothing but proxy of China. ठीक है. They are all weather friend. And important partner to isolate मतलब partner to to contain China, sorry, contain India in the region. ठीक है, ये तो हम लोग सबको पता है पाकिस्तान के साथ. Will, if we take the example of Sri Lanka and बांग्लादेश, ठीक है, देन यहां पे क्या है? डेट ट्रैप. They are using debt trap diplomacy and to gain economic and political influence. When Rajapaksa was there, I discussed this previously as well. So they had huge. Then Bangladesh हो गया, नेपाल, भूटान. ठीक है, नेपाल. ओके, नेपाल में देखोगे तो मेनी पीपल आर सेइंग इलीट कैप्चर हो गया है वहां पे, एंड इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ चाइना is growing. Bhutan start putting pressure. जो कि आप देख रहे हो बॉर्डर इशू को लेके. ठीक है, और कौन बच गया? We have Myanmar. म्यांमार, यहाँ पे चाइना म्यांमार इकोनॉमिक कॉरिडोर, BRI influence. Fine. You and Maldives. New government. Political and economic influence is going up. ठीक है, दिस ऑलरेडी यू नो, ये रिवीजन हो गया आपका, लिख लीजिए. और ये वाला क्या है? इन्फ्लुएंस इज इंक्रीजिंग मीन्स रेस्ट्रिक्ट इंडिया. कैसे? लुक ईस्ट पॉलिसी का जो उसको रोकने का है ये तरीका. और ये क्या है? इंडियन ओशियन रीजन. ठीक है, yes, that's right, Sriparna. Indian influence on Indian neighbor is not as significant as it used to be. Presently, China enjoys much better position. China's position in Pakistan is very good. Very good, nahi matlab excellent. Maldives is very good because of their investment and all. Sri Lanka, looking at the nature of elite of Nepal, Chinese influence, one can't say that it has not gone up. It has gone substantially up. Previously, India was like, has this hegemonic status. Bangladesh as well, their profile has improved certainly, particularly post the Doklam crisis and recent rapprochement policy. And Myanmar, to military coup is there, and it is going all fine, you know. So yes, Chinese influence is better than India's influence. Okay. In this case, how successful is? Don't see look east policy. This is their thinking. Okay, many people say, but India's Act East policy is a very significant policy. It's going fantastic. Okay, बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, and particularly with the emergence of USA as a very interested party in the Asia Pacific region or particularly Indo-Pacific region, do remember the Act East policy will gain more teeth in coming years. ठीक है, तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. Okay, all right, चलिए.